Morning guys, this is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr.S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today in this lecture series, we are going to discuss the topic GUI, Tkinter, in OOPS with Python programming. Now let us see the introduction to GUI. Tkinter is the standard GUI, graphical user interface toolkit for Python programming. It's going to include with most Python installations, making it readily accessible for developers. So it's very easy to develop an applications with the help of Tkinter. It's going to allow us to create a windows, buttons, labels, as well as text boxes and other widgets that can be used to build an dynamic as well as interactive applications by using Python language. Now let us see the key components are there in Tkinter. The three important thing is widgets, and another one is geometry management, and then event handling. These three plays a vital role in Tkinter graphical user interfaces. The graphical user interfaces is mainly for developing an application in an interactive way. So for that we are using the key concepts like widgets, geometry managements, as well as event handling. The graphical way of explaining graphical visualization is in need of today's applications. Then only all can visualize our websites, right? So for that reason, we are implementing the Tkinter tool for creating an dynamic application. That widgets in widgets we have tools. It's none other than widgets is none other than tools. So that graphical user interface tools like windows, text boxes if you want to embed, labels, and then buttons. So that and all create with the help of widgets, GUI widgets. And then Tkinter geometry managements, the geometrical shapes, that symbols, if you want to create in your applications. So for that, the geometry management supports a lot for creating an applications with the help of Tkinter tool. And then another important thing is it's going to bind together the functions with events. So for that we are using event handling techniques. So the event handling techniques plays a vital role. It's a key concepts on Tkinter graphical user interface. In order to develop an graphical application visualization, so for that we can implement the event handling methodology. So in that event handling, if you want to create a number of frames, and then if you want to, if suppose if you click one button, it's going to create some comment message. So likewise, if you want to create something new, so for that we can use event handlings. That's what binding together the function with events, click event, on event, loading event. So likewise we have n number of events in order to process in your applications. So that graphical process we are applying the event handling techniques. So hope you understand the widget concepts as well as event handling. So that widgets and event handling plays an important and crucial role in Tkinter in order to develop an dynamic and interactive web applications. So the web application tools and techniques and all we are going to search over with the help of widgets, and then that events and all accessing with the help of that event handling techniques like the frames as well as windows and all create with the help of widgets. So that creative as well as animative web applications if you want to develop in Python, so for that the right choices that Tkinter can use the graphical user interface in order to create an effective way of applications, that dynamic pleasant applications we can create with the help of Tkinter. Hope you understand the concepts in clear way. And then that geometrical shapes and all in clear and efficient way we can able to create in applications with the help of the tools, geometric management tools in Tkinter. that and all we can drag and drop in a easy way. That user friendly, the Tkinter plays an user friendly tool in creating a graphical process in your applications. Thank you for your patient listening. Let's see the one example for simple Tkinter applications. First of all, we have to import the module Tkinter, and then definition greet of. In that, we are going to specify the name. We are going to get over the name. So in that name, we are going to greeting that hello, that particular name. So in runtime, we are going to get the name in text box, so that messages we are going to get like hello Aishu, likewise. Hope you understand in that output screen message. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.